Hello to all my friends out there. So this is a dirt cheap dinner. This is my beans from the day before yesterday, and I had a tiny bit of taco seasoning, so I made white rice and I just put taco seasoning on. And these are my tacos, and let's see, I made 2, 4, 6, 8 tacos. 2, 4, 6, 8. 8 tacos. And I bought the tortillas at Dollar Tree. I'm pretty sure I got 30. And I'll give you the bean recipe in a minute. And then the other day I made some banana bread and some oatmeal cookies. And you can just scroll down for that recipe. And I'm using my hot sauce. And now it's tea with frozen fruit. And I bought this tea, 100 bags, for $1, so 1 penny a bag. And I made a couple days ago 4 cups, and I'm still drinking that. And so let's see if I can find. I bought this cheese. I'm pretty sure I paid $1 for this. It's pretty good cheese, and believe it or not, I still have some left. And then here's the taco seasoning, and I just sprinkle a little bit on the rice. It's really cheap. Okay, let me give you the bean recipe. Here is the recipe. If you want to see exactly how I made this, just scroll down. But I soaked 1 pound of pinto beans overnight and rinsed them good. And then I covered them with water, and I added 1/4 cup. I had sausage drippings, 2 tablespoons onion, half a teaspoon garlic, salt, fresh garlic and onion would be good, pepper, and then I had a 1/4 can of green salsa. And I wrote this down because I mess this, up every time I do it. But that's the bean recipe. Okay, so now, let's see. I'm doing the shopping for a month. I bought a 10-pound ham, and these hamburgers are really good. I will get probably 5 pounds turkey burger, 5 pounds hamburger, and 10 pounds chicken. That'll be 30 pounds. Rice, potatoes, sweet potatoes, frozen vegetables, frozen fruit, milk, and I had canned milk and cartons of milk, lunch meat, bread, hamburger buns, flour, sugar, brown sugar, powdered sugar, canned beans, canned fruit, vegetables and soup, oatmeal. I like those salad toppers. You can get those at Dollar Tree. Dry fruit, eggs, margarine, cheese, salsa, green and red salsa, and 2 of those packages of taco seasoning. Probably 1 of those big bags of cheese. So I just wanted to post this before the first of the month. I'm not buying everything in one day, unless of course I can find what I deem fit as the best possible deal. And I bought a green tea, 100 bags for $1 too. And so here is the tea and frozen fruit. And I'm using the frozen fruit instead of ice cubes. That's really good, and it tastes good. There's my little painting. I tried to sell it many times, but now I'm kind of thinking I'm not going to sell it. And so here you go. Crazy cheap dinner, and God bless you all.